inside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting buzzed on rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty up from the minute that I met you.
Hi guys, so this is the unboxing and of course first impression of the Moto G7 Plus. Now in terms of design, this is the best red color to have. Don't even at me, this is really a good looking red color. It's like a deep red, Bordeaux red, I think it's the description of it. But this is really a good looking color and I really am impressed. I wanted to get the normal G7 but it didn't have this color option, so I kind of had to go for this one. Now in terms of specs, we of course have our Snapdragon 636, we have 27 watt turbo power charging, we have a 16 and 5 megapixel camera setup, we have optical image stabilization in that as well. So this is quite a decent phone, and with $269, this is actually the same price as the other phone that I have, that is the Huawei P Smart Set, if I'm correct. Yeah, P Smart Set. So I'm gonna compare this one of course with the Huawei, but this one has a Snapdragon inside and that one for instance has their own Kirin 710 inside. Now the Snapdragon 636 isn't the fastest out there for a budget phone, but it's actually quite reliable and it works pretty well. But like I said, in terms of design I'm really impressed and I'm looking forward to see what this one performs like. But yeah, that's the Moto G7 Plus. We'll figure out how this one performs and of course, like I said, compare it with the Huawei P Smart Set and maybe the Xiaomi Redmi 7, but that one is quite a bit lower price, so I'm not 100% sure if I will. Anyway, stay tuned for more of course and more coverage of different products. I think tomorrow the review of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 will come out as well. Anyway, have a good one and talk to you guys in the next.